Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today's our amazing assignment is on chapter 8 measurements. For this from Sadhana workbook. Let us have a look on our amazing assignment today. Objective bank. First problem. 4250 grams is equal to dash kilograms and dash grams. See first one, 4250 grams can be written as 4000 grams plus 250 grams. We know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, that means 1 kg. Then 4000 grams is equal to 4 kilograms, that means here 4 kilograms and 250 grams. Next one, Anu bought 8000 grams of wheat flour. Okay, the quantity of wheat flour in kilograms is, we know that, see the weight is given in grams, 8000 grams is equal to dash kilograms. That is the problem. We know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Then 8000 grams is equal to 8 kilograms. So the answer is 8 kg. 20 decameters is equal to dash decimeters. Now decameters. See, as per the table, decameters, after that we have meters, then decimeters. To convert decameters to meters, we have to move 2 times, 1, 2. That means into 10, here also into 10, that means 100, 10 tens 100. So multiply it with 100. 20 into 100 is equal to 20 ones 20 and 0 0. So the answer is 2000 decimeters. Next one, on a sunny day the temperature is 46 degrees Celsius in a city. The temperature in the Fahrenheit is, see the temperature is given in degree Celsius, in Celsius. So 46 degree Celsius is equal to, convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. To convert, we have a formula, that is 9/5 into C plus 32. Now 9/5 into C is 46 plus 32. Multiply 9 and 46, 9 into 46, that means 46 into 9, you take 46 into 9, 9 6s 54, 9 4s 36, 36 plus 5 41. So 414 by 5 plus 32. Now divide these two, 414 by 5. 414 by 5. 5 will not goes from the 4, then take the next place also, that means 5 8s 40. 41 minus 40 is 1, next down 4, 5 2s 10, 14 minus 10 4, then take the decimal point, then you will get 0 here, 82. Now 5 8s 40, 40 minus 40 0. So the answer 82.8 plus 32. Now add both the numbers, 82.8 plus 32, here 0.0. I just converted that unlike decimals into like decimals. Now 8 plus 0 8, 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 3 is 11. So the answer 114.8 degree Fahrenheit. Next one, 20 grams 43 milligrams plus 5 grams 120 milligrams minus 14 grams 5 milligrams. Let's add the given units according to the BODMAS rule. First one, grams are given here, 20 grams and 43 milligrams. So in milligrams 43. Next one, 5 grams 120 milligrams, 120 milligrams. Add both the numbers, 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus 2 6. Next one 1. Next 0 plus 5 is 5. This is 2. 25 grams 163 milligrams. Now subtract these 14 grams and 5 milligrams from this, that is minus 14 grams and 5 milligrams can be written like this, 0 0 5. Now subtract both the numbers. 3 minus 5 is directly not possible, then take the help of next number, that means 5. Here it will become 5 and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 0 5 and here 1. 25 minus 14. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 1. Now the answer is 11 grams 158 milligrams. So the answer is 11 grams 158 milligrams. Next one, 100 milliliters is equal to dash kiloliters. Now 100 ml, that means you take the table kiloliters, hectoliters, decaliters, liters, deciliters, centiliters and milliliters. To convert milliliters to kiloliters, we have to move from right to left. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 100 by 1 after 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move the decimal point now. I'll take this problem here. See here, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0. Move the decimal point. How many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. From right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So the answer is 0.0000001 kiloliters. Next one, 218 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Take the problem. 218 degree Fahrenheit is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Now given Fahrenheit is 218 minus 32 into 5 by 9. Subtract 218 minus 32, 6. 11 minus 3 is 8. Next here 2 will become 1. So 186 into 5 by 9. Multiply 186 and 5. 5 6s 30, 5 8s 40 plus 3, 43. 5 1s 5 plus 4, 9. So 930 by 9. Now divide both. 930 and 9. 9 ones 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next down 3. 3 is smaller than 9. Then down the next number also. When we down two numbers at a time, we have to write a 0 in quotient. Now 9 3s 27. 30 minus 27 is 3. Next, take the decimal point, we'll get 0 here. 9 3s 27, 30 minus 27 is 3, so it will continue. So the answer is 103.3 degrees Celsius. Next, 5 decameters. 5 decameters is equal to dash decimeters. To convert decameters into decimeters, we have to multiply decameters to meters 10 times and meters to decimeters 10 times, total 100 times. That means 5 into 100. 5 into 100 is equal to 500. So the answer is 500 decimeters. Next, if a teaspoon contains 10.125 grams, 10.125 grams. This is the honey contained in the spoon. Then the quantity of 12 such spoons is equal to. So to find the quantity of 12 such spoons, we have to multiply it with 12. Now multiply 12 into 5 or 2 into 5. 2 5s 10, 1 there and 0 here. Next, 2 2s 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, 2 1s 2. Next decimal point, leave it, 2 zeros 0, 2 1s 2. Now again 1 with 5. 1 5s 5, 1 2s 2, 1 1s 1, 1 zeros 0, 1 1s 1. So the answer, add both the numbers, 0 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2 and 1. Here see, after how many digits do we have the decimal point? After 3 digits from the right side. So here also after 3 digits from the right side, put the decimal point 1 2 3. So here it will come. So the answer is 121.500 grams. Next one, if the weight of a 10 rupee coin is 7.7 grams, then the weight of 20 10 rupee coins is, weight of 1 10 rupee coin is equal to 7.7 grams. Then the weight of 20 10 rupee coins is equal to, here also we have to multiply it with 20. First multiply 0 into 7, 0, 0 into 7 again 0, 2 7s 14, 4 right here and 1 keep aside, again 2 7s 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Now add the numbers 0, 4, 5, 1. After how many digits do we have the decimal point? After 1 digit. So after 1 digit, put the decimal point. So the answer is 154 grams. 154 grams is the answer. This is our assignment for today, children. Thank you.